Today we're looking at two of the cutest 3D models I've ever seen, also incredibly good for beginners, but there is a catch. These were made by Biotech 3D earlier this year, and I got to check them out. They were just simple downloads of Thingiverse for free, but they started to disappear, and it seems maybe they were going behind a paywall or something like that. So I was very happy to be able to check them out while they were up there. And this is the thing, this channel was all about trying to find these cool 3D models that sometimes appear for a little bit of time, then disappear and stuff like that. And these were just awesome. I think there's going to be a bunch that will replicate this kind of style in the future. Now in the description below, I will have a link to Biotech 3D's Thingiverse profile below, so you can go check out what files they do have available. But they're put in place, they're fully articulated, and as you can see, the eyes and stuff get printed off separately. So this one, of course, is a baby seal, and yeah, this is just really cool. It looks gorgeous, and it's extremely simple to print, and extremely simple to put together. One of my favorites for the year, very much a highlight for this year, for sure. But like I say, kind of sad because this person who was making these great models would just delete them off Thingiverse and not say where they were going, if they were going behind a paywall or whatever. And they were only out for like a week or something as well. But yeah, this is the baby seal. If you happen to find the files out there, it's well worth giving it a go. And we'll move on to our second model, which is our Crocodile, equally as cute, but just a little bit different. And again, you get multiple options to print off. So you've got some keychain options, or you've got ones with the eyes integrated into the model as well. But I've gone with the eyes separate. And again, absolutely gorgeous design, great for someone who's new to 3D printing, who might be just doing their first couple of 3D prints, because this thing is quite simple, nice large surface area to print on, so you don't have to worry about adhesion. And then you've got a few complicated smaller pieces to print off that can really kind of test you as a brand new person to 3D printing. But all of this should be pretty simple to print and very, very good outcome. And they look absolutely gorgeous, and that is our little crocodile there. So yeah, absolutely brilliant. Now, if you're enjoying this kind of content, make sure to like and subscribe. I'd love to do more videos like this, catching these really cool models and letting you know they exist when they show up. And of course, you can get them downloaded if they're still there. So yeah, really nice. I'm loving these kind of models and the style of it, especially. This is just, it feels a little bit different from what I've seen with other print and play stuff, which is usually a little bit more realistic in its look, whereas this one's got a very cool cartoon effect. I think increasing this up 200%, making it out of like a malleable filament, would turn this into one heck of a cool model. So I don't even think these are in their final form. I might actually return to these at some point in the future and make them out of like a malleable material, scale them up big time, and see how they end up coming out. But anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.